Want to AirDrop from Android to iPhone? Use SnapDrop for an instant transfer. Let's go! First, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network and stay on that page. On your Android, open a browser and go to snapdrop.net. On the iPhone, open Safari and visit the same snapdrop.net address. You should see each device appear as a circle on the other screen. They're ready to connect. On Android, pick the photo or file you want to send, then tap the iPhone's icon. A transfer bar appears. Wait a few seconds as the file uploads over your local network. On the iPhone, tap the Receive File preview and choose Save to add it to Photos or Files. If you prefer an app, try Send Anywhere or Files by WeTransfer for larger files and smoother transfers. If it fails, check both devices are on the same Wi-Fi, disable any VPN, then refresh the page. Transfers happen locally on your network, not stored in the cloud, so it's fast and private. Quick recap: same Wi-Fi, open snapdrop.net on both devices, tap to send, tap to save. Done!